Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you this piece of. I absolutely despise this thing. Okay, it's the STRV, however you pronounce that. M41. I had a hell of a time playing this, and I don't mean that in a good way. As you can tell, there's like 50 millimeters in the front, in the one spot that most people will try to hit, so that's kind of nice. But this thing, it has a 37 millimeter. I couldn't get anything done. These were like the most painful games I've played in War Thunder so far. I had a couple of good ones. Looking back at it, but they didn't feel good at the time as either. Like you're bouncing half the shots. If you're like me and you don't know, I was gonna curse. You don't know much about where to hit tanks yet. This thing is not for you. Okay, I hated every minute of this thing. All right, so enjoy my misery. Have fun. This thing doesn't. I can't even go through a wall, bro. Come on. Oh, come on.
Oh, who's all artillery then?
You can't tell. Bro, this is ridiculous. I'm just gonna shoot it. Should have taken China, damn it.
I tried to flank, but I got flanked myself. I killed one.
Whew, that was a really close miss. Oh, I forgot my light tank. I should have said hi with V. Oh, I was looking at the other tank over there. Damn, I just saw him go around the corner.
Oh, fuck, I didn't see that guy. Smoke everywhere.
What? What? Why did someone else not get the kill?
Oh, I can't go through this way.
Stupid buildings every time.
I'm gonna end up getting myself killed here.
There's a tank behind you, yeah. I heard its engine. I was like, wait, that's not your engine.
I heard it, but I couldn't move because I got crashed into the wall.
Nope.
Weird.
Any planes in the air?
Oh yeah.
I can't go through.
Nope. Nope.
Artillery barrage.
Nope.
Woohoo!
have a question. God. Why?
Come on, drive, stupid Swedish piece of shit. Oh, that's a stook.
How could I hit anything? That thing was just rock solid.
You got the loader.
Don't know what tank that was. It was super hard.
Kinda where I needed to hit it, and yet.
I couldn't pen that guy. Ah, freaking plane killed me.
Nope.
You son of a bitch.
Nope. Nope.
Well, I'm screwed.
Nope.
I missed.
Nope.
Oh my god, the planes are all above me.
Nope.
Bro, I have a skill issue. It's so fucking annoying.
Stop! Stop! He's already dead.
Hello there.
Oh wow. Did not notice at all.
How do you even hit that?
God damn it.
I probably won't be switching to Steam, so I bought the biggest.
Why won't you die?
The expansion, because Sausage is not planning to switch over. So, and I'm hoping that if they bring out crossplay, but to be honest, it's only maximum of 4 players, so there's not many people I play with. The one with expansion. set up camp. We're gonna stay here.